Hey everyone, and welcome to this quick video where I would like to share with you the latest updates and improvements of RoboRoger, which is basically a library filled with AI prompts for tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and many more. One of the biggest updates is that we added tons of new prompts for Midjourney and ChatGPT. So you can now find countless new styles and references for Midjourney, and you can also find amazing prompts for ChatGPT for things like email marketing, podcasts, Amazon FBA, drop shipping, book writing, print on demand, and many more. And we have also improved how you find prompts and resources with our new category menu. So this will give you a quick overview of all the available subcategories for Midjourney and ChatGPT. And of course, in the future, we will also add prompts for other AI tools like Claude, DALL-E, Flux, Sora, and many more. Another exciting update is our new Pro Plan. So this subscription basically gives you access to more advanced prompts and useful resources. And in the upcoming weeks, we will also introduce our Ultimate Plan, which gives you full access to all prompts and resources on the platform in combination with special courses and live events. And of course, we will also always offer a free plan and continue to make awesome prompts available to everyone. And we have also added a new Request a Prompt feature. So let's say, for example, you are looking for prompts related to LinkedIn marketing, but you can't find anything in the library yet, okay? So in this case, you can simply go to the menu and select Request a Prompt. And this will take you to this page here, where you can submit and vote for topics we should cover next in the library, okay? Let's make a quick example. So our topic would be prompts for LinkedIn marketing, okay? And then you have to select a category, which is basically the AI tool. In this case, I would go for ChatGPT, and then you submit the topic. And this will be quickly reviewed by our team and then published in this list here. So here you can upvote for the different topics, and the topics with the most upvotes will be created first. And below you can also find the topics where we have already published content based on this list. So in this case, prompts for YouTube, you can click the link and this will give you all the prompts related to this topic. So I hope you are excited about all these new updates and you can try it yourself. Simply visit roboroger.com, create a free account and discover all the new things we added. And yeah, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.